Want to know how to add or make your variables more clear or add clarity to your variables? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So once you have opened it up, you should be onto this interface right here. So now once you're onto this interface, make sure you have a code opened up. So we have created similar videos of Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So I have this code with me right here, and if I want more clarity with the variables like this right here, integer, quantity and much more, I can do something like selecting the entire code and then selecting Ctrl plus K. So now once I've selected Ctrl plus K, here you can see my edit section should open up. So what you need to type is just simply type this prompt right here. And once I typed in this prompt, you can just simply select iter and it should generate your code where it should give you variables more clarity. And that's it, super simple and easy. So you can just simply select keep in order to keep it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.